All right, as you can see, top 25 polls. Number 21, UTSA. We only went up 2 spots after a 28-0 victory over Western Kentucky. We got Charlotte this week. Florida State 5-0. Texas 5-0. We're gonna take some bye weeks. Let me catch back up in the polls. All right, let's go look at recruiting. We got points available. We got to find some guys that want to play for UTSA. Simple as that. We'll put it on. Let's see. Go. Let's look. We're not gonna get Zach. Not gonna get Rob. JUCO tight end. The tight ends love us. I don't know what it is. Tight ends love us. We're in the lead right here for the defensive end. I'm gonna put some points up on him. We're in the lead there. So I know these guys are 60 overall and stuff like that, but I need these guys on my team. You're probably wondering why. It's because I want these guys to be depth guys. We don't have any depth. That's the issue with our team. As you can see, Jonathan Simmons, Matt Jefferson, 2 guys I really thought we could get, not coming to us. Anthony Small, not coming to us. Craig Bellamy, not coming to us. It's tough. So I'm gonna put the points on the main guys, our subs, and see if we can try to get one of these guys to commit. Joey's smart. See, Joey gets it. Good tackle. Let's go, Brown.
They'll bring him down around the 22-yard line.
He had nowhere to go on that option play.
Boy.
He's out to the 30.
Why are we running so slow?
And they finally tackle him at the 49.
This
That's
back
self.
might need a breather after that run, but when he comes back, just give it.
Green.
Flips it.
Yes, sir. Good defense, team.
Around the 49-yard line.
Defense just is getting smarter. We're getting higher IQ players. We'll take 9.
At the 24.
Scott 101. No way you switched it over when I changed that. Scott 101 over the top. Chad's 101 over the top. That's such a bad pass.
And it's picked out of the sky. There's a missed tackle to the 20.
I threw that to the sideline.
He goes right around the 10-yard line.
Chad, I threw that ball to the sideline, and look where it ends up.
By this linebacker. He does a good job of
My quarterback sold me. That's an interesting throw.
And it pays off. Touchdown.
Nobody's open. That's a pick.
Pass is tipped away.
Bro, what is this?
Great play, hits it away. That's a big-time play.
Incomplete. It's knocked down by the defense.
I have nothing open. We're going to run the ball. We're going to run the ball every play next drive.
Fires quickly, and he's got his man. Down the sideline. What a play, and that'll set up a 1st and goal. Good throw. Caught. Touchdown.
Let's go, Everson. Go run, Larry Everson. I see you.
So he picked.
What?
Tries to thread the needle, and it's not going to work.
Not a good day, y'all.
He's at the 30. To the 10.
Not a good day right now.
Right around the 4-yard line.
Woo, what can go wrong will go wrong. They're on all my routes.
And they'll score.
Good catch, Scott. We needed that. Come on.
48-yard line.
Not
He gets rid of this one. They throw the flag, and I think they got him for grounding.
I got a guy right there. Bro, what is going on, game? Let's go, Scott. Make it a field goal. Give me some points. We just need some kind of momentum.
I know the defense would have liked to have prevented such a big gain, but the important thing is that they held and brought up 4th down.
So the kicker comes out. He'll try to put 3 points on.
Man, we just need something, y'all.
And he got it.
Being able to create here in the 2nd quarter.
Things are on the verge of getting out of hand before we even hit the half. These next few drives.
Yes, Medina! Big pick! Let's go, we're here. We're here, man.
Hey, this could potentially turn this football game around. They're down by a couple scores.
Let's go, Mobley.
Gains his way to the 20-yard line. When you're
Touchdown. Let's go.
and now he's got
We're here.
Touchdown.
We're right back in it, baby.
Again,
Woo.
a nice play for the offense.
Good tackle.
Makes the catch, and he's got nowhere to go.
I'm burning the timeout.
Didn't have much of a chance
I'm
on that
burning the
play.
timeout because I want the ball back before the end of the half. They score quickly here.
Over him by the time he caught the ball.
They're at the 8. It's 2nd down.
Come on, Porter. We need a pick.
And he's tackled.
Y'all killing me with these broken tackles, man.
The defense burns a timeout here. In an
Killing me
attempt
with
to
that
stall this
nonsense.
no huddle attack. This is the 8th play of this drive.
Just broken tackle after broken tackle after broken
And
tackle.
they got all the big boys in there for this one.
We're there.
They
Woo!
won't make it. The Roadrunners, they're going to have to call their 3rd
Kick that field goal.
timeout.
Great job here in shutting down the run.
Good
It's
job,
a real
man.
boost for this team.
Only hold them to a field goal. We got 30 seconds in the ball right here, so we got to try to get a big play.
Kicks up, and he got it. He's going to try and scramble. And he just gets rid of it. The defense got some pressure and forced
Multiple
a
routes
bad
on the left
pass.
would have
I
came
think
over
they've
later.
been a little
Yard line. Under heavy pressure.
No, don't come back. Go up the
cover, it's
field.
intercepted.
Dog, I wish you could playmaker. Why would you run back when there's a whole giant gap behind him? Oh, my gosh.
What this defensive
Can we please make a tackle? Thank you.
Down around the
Woo.
16-yard line.
Better not. We'll live with that.
He's out of bounds at the 22.
Woo, 3-and-out defense. Buddy back perfectly. I'm scared to run a screen because I know they're going to. Look at this. Everybody inside of 10 yards because they know I'm running the ball. Still run at him. Hard nose running, Mobley. That's crazy. That's crazy. I come out in the pass. I come out in the pass. Their safeties are 15 yards down the field, but I say I'm going to run it. Oh, they're in the box. Snap it, snap it, snap it. Good note. Hard nose running right there, Mobley. Let's go.
9-yard line.
Nothing tentative
Let
on
them
that
know,
one.
man. We're here.
He looked very
Hard nose
determined.
running.
He got the first down.
And now he's got room to run.
Come on, Steele.
Gets out to around the 28. They go with the.
Once they cheat up a little bit too much, that's when we hit them with the play action. Oh, I don't know how he got that out there, but he got it out there.
Nice play to set up.
All I'm asking you is get in the way.
He's scrambling. He's got to throw it in a hurry.
Let's go, Steele. Touchdown.
To take it himself, and he's got it.
Come on, man. We here. Great job by the right tackle. Look at the right tackle. He gets beat, but then he comes back and gives me the block, gives me just enough room. Yeah, we're there.
And he's stopped behind.
Come on, let's get this. Let's get this stopped. Don't let him get in field goal range.
He'll get it again.
Stop this run game.
Makes it out
Make
to
him
the
pass.
49-yard line.
Please go ahead and be on the outside so I ain't got to worry about you. Where are you going, Bug? Woo!
Taken down.
Bug, you almost blew that, dog. Like, where you going?
But come up just.
Bro, I wish somebody would hold the block. That's a good 6. Woods didn't get it, bro. They are everywhere. We got to go for this. This is crazy how much they're all over it. Everything we run, they're all over. Just snap it. First down, Mobley. Mobley, where did you? Okay, Mobley. Let him know. Touchdown, UTSA. Okay, Lawrence Mobley. I see you, my guy. Put the team on your back. Truck stick, get off of me. He wants it more, man.
Can't get much better than that.
You can hear a pin drop right now.
Will be tied with the extra. End this thing in regulation. Throws complete.
Let him know, Medina. Let him know if you catch that ball, you're going to get hit.
Grabs a pitch, looking for the corner.
So he didn't. He's not out of bounds. He's not out of bounds. Good job. Woo! If they don't get anything here, chat, I think we have a we hold them to it. They don't get a field. They might miss the field goal. Yes! Let's go defense! We are here, man. We see it.
That's a loss of 4 yards.
This defense is fast.
Under 3 to go in regulation. He's in trouble.
Nothing open.
And he's got all the time in the world. He's hit and taken down. And this one could be on the defense.
Pass interference. Offense.
Our ball.
Big stop by the
Our ball, baby. Let's go defense. Way to get off the field. Oh. Let's go, Russ. Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ.
He's at midfield.
Let's go, Russ. Best athlete on the team.
At the 40.
First down.
Tackle at the 28.
I like how efficient the offense.
Yes,
looks on that
sir.
play. Everybody
Tick,
did their
tick.
assignment,
Tick,
and all
tick.
came together
Tick,
for a
tick.
nice run.
I probably could have got the first down if I didn't run into the back of my own guy.
After that stop here late in the fourth quarter, that could be the turning point.
Chat, we might be getting out of here with a dub. Just got to make the free throw, the field goal.
This is it, guys. He makes this one and the game's over. If not, we're going to overtime. They'll try to ice him with a timeout here.
Howard, you are the man. Let's go home, UTSA.
And this one is over. And that gives them the lead.
I know that I call kickers head cases, but this kid isn't one. It's like he doesn't.
Never
even
in
feel
doubt, baby. UTSA for a reason. We're ranked for a reason. We're the best team in Conference USA for a reason. Never in doubt, man. Stop doubting my boys.